What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I hope you're all doing well and your families. I'm just basically editing a production that I've done. It's called Wanted, and it's to do with anti-bullying in schools. As you know, there's a lot going on in the world at the moment, so we need to eliminate all these negative feelings. I'm a diverse person, so I have to be real right across the board. We need to work together in one way or another, otherwise things will just get worse. Change, we need to embrace change, guys. This is the way to do it, but I'm going to show you how I edited this program, just so you can understand. I mean, the words anti-bullying's in there, devastation, etc., just to show you. I've made it a bit of a comedy, but at the same time I've made the serious side of it as well come out and be highlighted, so you understand there's a serious side to this, guys. It's not all about fun all the time. Let's just get real. Let me get in and show you how I edited the program. Alright, so basically over here, alright, so guys, over to the below, just down here, if you notice I've got some cutaways, and what I want to do is eliminate. I'll show you what I mean. I'll move the cursor over to the right slightly. So guys, as you can see here, if I move the cursor to the right slightly, in the background you notice around here that you see a cutaway. So I've used more than one camera angle. So what I'm doing when I'm cutting away between the scenes, you notice that some of the stills, the camera might be slightly in, as in horizontal, and you also have some vertical angles as well. So when I say vertical and horizontal, in regards to the smartphone, as you know, when you hold it upwards, you've got the vertical view, and to the side, you've got the horizontal view. Horizontal is more, in layman's terms, so to speak, you've got a 16:9, which is widescreen, and the other way, when it's vertical, that is 9:16 to the reverse, and that's like the horizontal, when it's upward, basically. So as you can see, that's the first cutaway would be vertical, and the one behind it will be horizontal, more in a widescreen kind of view. In fact, the time of the filming, the camera I used wasn't set in a widescreen mode, so although I went for a widescreen formation, I only got sort of a square formation rather than the widescreen angle. But you can actually amend the program to get your widescreen. Sometimes it makes the image look too squashed, so you don't want to really squash your images. You want to keep it in a frame where you feel comfortable and it looks, you get the best as you can from the footage, basically, as in the best view, the best quality. I filmed this, guys, this film footage was filmed quite a while back, so you're looking at, let's say, 10 years. So you notice that some of the clothing and background scenes will look a bit dated, but there's a point to this, guys. I'm just editing this because I know there's a purpose, and right now it's a time of change, as I said, and I want you to really take in the storyline, and I hope it makes sense to you guys. Hope you enjoy it, but I hope you learn something from it, and you will see, and it will make sense, hopefully, as time goes by. Guys, check it out. So I'm going to edit this program real quick. Alright, so I basically right clicked on the mouse, and up here you've got something called show original clip, restore linked clip. So what I've done is I've actually I've taken away from the linked clip the audio. So the audio and the visual, as in the actual camera footage, I've separated, because what I want to do is keep one of the cutaways, as in the main one, and have the back ones not showing once I eventually present the show to an audience, so to speak, as a viewer. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of that backdrop there, so you'll see. So I kept the audio, and I say keep the audio, I mean down below here you've got the audio underneath. Alright, so these are linked to the above. Yeah, so these are the visuals, they're linked. So I want to separate. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll restore it and then I'll show you what I mean for this one. Alright, so at the moment, in this clip here, it's showing unlinked from audio. So I want to unlink it. If I hadn't done that, what will happen is, if I delete this clip, it will delete the audio for that clip also. Yeah, so if I don't unlink the audio from the footage, as in the camera, the camera recording, it will delete both the sound recording and the audio. But I want to keep the sound recording, guys, which is down here in the lower blue line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlink the audio, and then I'm going to delete that clip. Alright, so if you notice, it's still there at the moment because there's more than one cutaway. So I want to do the same for this one. Alright, so I've already done that. I've unlinked that one. So I want to delete this one as well. I want to unlink the third one. And what you notice after I take away the third one is the backdrop disappears, because now that cutaway is gone. Yeah, from here you don't notice it. Alright guys, so as you can see, it shows basically me doing some acting, and yeah, it's all relevant, guys. Yeah, it's all relevant. I won't show you too much because I don't want to spoil it, but tap in for more, guys.